In this video, we will be discussing how to navigate TopDesk for students. UL staff who would like to learn more about TopDesk can check out our previous video, TopDesk for Staff. TopDesk is UL's online call management system. To get started, visit ul.topdesk.net and click on the Log into Self-Service Portal button. Next, enter your student number followed by @studentmail.ul.ie. Then enter your student account password. Once logged in, you will be brought to the TopDesk homepage. From here, you can view a vast amount of information on IT services for students. For example, if you click on the IT security tile, you will find information on account security, such as good password management, protecting sensitive data, phishing, and more. Elsewhere, you can find information on topics such as Microsoft 365, multi-factor authentication, MFA, password reset, Brightspace, printing, Wi-Fi, and much more. Some TopDesk pages also include forms where you can submit specific queries. ITD staff can then contact you directly to fix any issues or provide information to your question. Another great feature of TopDesk is our knowledge items, or KIs. You can use the search bar or the advice directory to find information on topics using a specific keyword or phrase. These are particularly useful for finding information on common issues or queries such as password reset. If you cannot find a solution to your issue, please contact us by filling in a relevant form or selecting Log a Call. Please provide as much information as possible when logging a request to help us sort your issue as quickly as possible. Once submitted, you can check the status and updates of your call using the My Request tile. You can also reply to ITD directly. From the home screen, you can also access the Student Hub online. In the Official Documents tile, you can find information and make requests regarding official documents, student cards, and timetables. Under the Student Record and Course Request tile, you can find information and advice on grading, repeats, account expiry, as well as updating personal details. The Student Information and Active Directory tile has further important information on admissions/onboarding, changing or leaving your course, exams and progression, fees and finance, student tasks, and many more. For information on IT services in UL, check out ITD on social media for updates, tutorials, and much more. Security reminder. ITD will never send an email asking for your account login information. If you receive a suspicious email, do not click on any links and contact ITD as soon as possible. For 24/7 IT support, visit ul.topdesk.net or visit us in person at the ITD service desk in the Glucksman Library foyer and look for the blue hoodies.